Welcome to this module once again. Let us now get detailed information about our module. Introduction to ECCE. Early childhood care and education aims to provide foundational learning to the children within the age group of 3 to 6 years. ECCE, that is Early Childhood Care and Education, specially focuses on the children belonging to the socio-economically disadvantaged backgrounds. Early childhood care and education is that time and stage in a child's lives when neurons are developed. Piaget's theory of cognitive development in light of ECCE. Piaget is also of the opinion that children aged between 2 years and 7 years are at the pre-operational stage where they start to form new words and relate them to their cognitive understanding. Universal access to early childhood care and education. Universal access to early childhood care and education means that children aged between 3 years and 6 years will have free, safe, high quality early childhood care and education at Anganwadis. Children will gain flexible, multi level, play based, activity based, and inquiry based learning. ECCE framework. Let us now understand the framework proposed by ECCE. National Curricular and Pedagogical Framework for Early Childhood Education, also known as NCPF ECE, will be drafted by NCERT. NCPF ECE will be aligned with the latest research on early childhood care and education, and national and international best practices will be included. Learning in ECCE in the formative years will include the following aspects: developing curiosity, logical thinking and problem solving, arts, crafts and music, relationship with nature, colors, shapes, alphabets and numbers, teamwork and collaboration, play based and discovery based learning, ethics, self identity, etiquette, behavior, and emotional development. Objective of ECCE. NCERT will develop a national curricular and pedagogical framework for children up to the age of 8 years into two categories. Number one, a sub framework for 0 to 3-year-olds. Number two, a sub framework for 3 to 8-year-olds. Early local rich traditions, games, poetry, and stories will be included in this framework. Holistic approach through ECCE. ECCE aims at the holistic development of a child's social, emotional, cognitive, and physical needs in order to build a solid and broad foundation for lifelong learning and well being. The holistic approach should be stimulating and incorporating a natural routine of feeding and playing. The learning should be project based and connected to the real world. It should involve collaboration and hands on experience. Learning should be integrated across subject areas. It should allow children to initiate, plan, and manage projects. It should explore students to different cultures. It should require problem solving and critical thinking. It should implement and promote health and wealth. Categorization of learning through ECCE. As per an EP 2020, learning will be categorized into the following: flexible, multifaceted, multi-level, play-based learning, activity-based learning, inquiry-based learning. The overall aim of ECCE will be to attain optimal outcomes in the domains of physical and motor development, cognitive development, socio-emotional ethical development, cultural artistic development, and the development of communication and early language, literacy and numeracy. Role of Anganwadis or preschools in ECCE. Anganwadis will play a crucial role in ECCE. They will be categorized into the following: standalone Anganwadis, Anganwadis co-located with primary schools, stand-alone preschools, pre-primary schools co-located with existing primary schools. Empowerment of Anganwadis. Anganwadis will be empowered. They will have a well-ventilated, well-designed, child-friendly and well-constructed building with an enriched learning environment. Anganwadi centers will have well-ventilated Anganwadi workers and teachers. Digital learning of Anganwadi workers. Anganwadi workers will be trained through digital distance mode using DTH with minimal disruptions to their current work. Expansion of ECCE to Ashram Shalas. ECCE will also be introduced in ashram shalas in tribal dominated areas and in all the formats of alternative schoolings in a phased manner for a more inclusive approach towards learning. So, today we have received information related to early childhood care and education of NEP under Module 2. I'd like to congratulate and thank you for joining us and completing Module 2 successfully. I hope the information that you received today will benefit you. Stay connected to our program for more information regarding NEP. Thank you. Please like our page on Facebook and Instagram and subscribe to our channel on YouTube and share them both with your acquaintances. Thank you for watching us.